Hello everyone. We are at a studio gallery with Mr. Xia Dazhi. He was last student of my teacher Zhang Zhengyin. Now we are looking at a long hand scroll by Master Zhang. The heading, the title says 多看多思多画. Look more, think more, and paint more. By Mr. Zhang Zhengyin, by Master Zhang Zhengyin. Look more, think more, and paint more. That's his teaching material for Mr. Xia, and he mounted it into a scroll. So here we can see different birds'
positions,
gestures, right?
positions. Yeah.
Positions. These are. What do you think?
I'm really impressed. It's a really good example.
The flying ones.
他的同类看见了。
You like this too, don't you? Yeah.
你的同类
They're your friends, hey?
Yeah, the birds sing when see the same species.
The consistency of the shape is excellent.
这前面都是画法，写的跟废的画法，完这个是穿插图了。
The next are the illustration of complete paintings with the flowers.
Oh wow. Oh, look at these guys. Lovely.
箩筐，那箩筐上面哎，好的了。
It's done in 1983, the New Year's Eve.
没有。别吃。
Okay, so can we take a photo now?
哦，可以，那他在照个相。
好，拍照啊。
我上次照过了，你叫他照一下这。
来，你这后面开始照。在这开始照。
Now Leasha is going to take some pictures.
照了几个？照了几个？
Now we have a practice session. Leasha is going to do the bird. It's a little too big, so you have to do a rock.
Okay, I have to practice a bit.
Yeah, I know.
永远记得是这个形，是这个形，你看它。不是这个形，是这个形。这个形。
Yeah, the egg is
你看，永远是个鸟形。
the bird is egg shape, not a triangle shape.
虽然他画的是这样嘛，这样子一笔，这样子一笔，这个一空白，它还是个形，永远是个形。
Yeah, paint within the egg.
然后它这个地方它就画，别样嘛就画翅膀了，它是个单形。
Yeah, just make it
形
into
要
an oval shape. Yeah.
你看那个形准备好，你不是画，不是这样子的，把这形画好了。
Yeah, this could be a big bird. Yeah.
Yeah.
So just do another one. You can add water.
Does he want to take the food out?
Yeah, 没关系.
没关系。
He will wash it. Yeah, you got some.
But see, I look at that and that just looks like one.
Okay, let me show you what. It's just one stroke for, and then just make it round. You can, if you can make in one stroke, but normally 2 to 3 strokes. Doesn't matter as long as you have a egg shape.
Yeah.
Stay within that. Yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah, it's better, much better. Maybe a little too short, so the area before the tail, what they call it, could be a little more, but in dry stroke. Yeah, that's kind of long.
Is that better?
Yeah,
This is long enough.
that's good. That's good. In a perspective, you can just use the side stroke. Do 1, and then 2,
Okay, that's what I needed to see. Yeah.
One long, one short, kind of. You can have a little curve, yeah, but press harder, lift in the end. Yeah. And you can use the side, it's good. Yeah. Yeah, like yeah. Okay.
And
then use dark ink to do the head. Yeah. Right. Yeah, you can dot all the head at this point. Just dot all the head.
and the eye.
Oh, you want to do that? Sure, you can do that. Yeah, you can change the small brush if you like. You can use the same brush if you feel okay with it.
And now the neck.
Yeah, just extend the head a little triangle shape. Yeah, but don't
No,
too long. Yeah, don't keep the ink tone different.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So now we have darker ink. Yeah. Now the
Beak.
beak, just a long triangle shape. Yeah, yeah, that's okay. That's good. And the tail.
Okay.
Tail. You can do the tail. Then you can this darker gray tail.
The wing or the tail?
尾巴先来吧，然后再是翅膀嘛。
去画翅膀。
先画翅膀。哦，wing. Then the last is tail. Use dark ink for the wing.
去画翅膀，尾巴是动态，尾巴个头是动态，
Right.
你懂我意思啊？
Yeah, because what's stable comes first. The body is the most stable part. Then the wing in this case is also stable. So the last would be the tail because it indicates the movement.
有这个尾巴跟你需要，超级别巧的，就
The
动了，超级别
tail
画了
can
就对了。
the tail can change directions according to the movement.
So this tail will still come straight.
Yeah, it can go down more downward.
More downward.
Yeah, because you don't have room in the front. Also, yeah, I will do the downward one. Start lighter, and then just the tail is like more like this. Start pressing, pressing more. Yeah, pressing more. In the end, right, right. By the way, the brush was left over
你
brush.
看讲不能分开，把两个尾巴分开了。
Yeah, don't have don't separate the two strokes. You have to combine them. Yeah. Yeah, you can
底
rotate
下底下分开，底下是一尾，一的
the end could be separate, split, but not the middle. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now you can practice on other ones if you like. Okay, now your turn. Notice the composition. We'll copy Master Zhang's painting. Use a small brush, maybe. You can load more ink because it absorbs very much.
You want a lighter branching.
Or just copy, notice where to start and leave space for leaves or flowers in the front. Yeah, just start. Let me just show you the hint. Yeah. Yeah. Leave space. Right. Good. Good. Yeah. Leave a break there. That's it. Good. Very good. Water. Yeah. Yeah. Just a little water. Water is considered as color. Yeah. Good. Yeah, and makeup stroke. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Goes outside the frame. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Just adding water, so dilute. Yeah. Some light dark and some dark gray to on the tip. Yeah. A little more. Right. Okay. That's it. Good. Just do this main stroke right from here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, good. Add gray. Just gray. Yeah. Yeah, leave room for the leaves. Yeah. Okay, good. Very good. Done? Yeah. Okay, hold it for me. I'll just do the flowers, the plant, without using the color, okay? Three strokes for the calyx.
那个那个内裤你要不念了？
等一下，我把画完再跟你讲好吗？
我说内裤。
Well, here's another flower, right? Let's do that. That's it. I'm gonna inscribe it for you.
Mm-hmm.
就在这块哈。Right here. Okay. Reporting the spring, a signal of spring. The year of goat, Leasha, Xiaohui collaborate.